It's July 28th, 2025, and in 30 days, Claude is going to be introducing new weekly rate limits as well as, or in addition to, their current 5-hour rolling rate limits. So I'm going to talk about what the limits currently are, what they're adding to it, and who can expect to be affected by it in this video. First thing we're going to look at is simply the email that I just got, and you may have gotten too. I am a pro subscriber of Claude, and we got this notice. So next month, just like I said, they're introducing the weekly rate limits, and they say this should affect less than 5% of their users. Now, they're pretty smart over there at Anthropic, and they know their stuff, and they've got the data, and I believe this. This is probably accurate. That may, in fact, it's probably an overstatement of the amount of users, because most people, myself included, are not going to hit this. They're not power users. They're not abusing the system. As we can see down here, they have identified policy violations like account sharing or reselling access and advanced usage patterns. So bots and stuff running this in the background that are impacting system capacity for everybody. This is totally understandable that they're trying to address this by introducing another limit. It may seem a little bit like, come on, Claude, but I am totally fine with this. Now, here's what's changing. Currently, this is not changing. This is what is in effect right now, whether you knew this or not. Every 5 hours, usage limits reset. So that's in place right now, and it has been in place for the longest and maybe for forever. The new things, though, are overall weekly rate limit that resets every 7 days and Claude Opus 4 weekly limit that resets every 7 days. And then, they're kind of buying themselves some more time. As we learn about how developers use Claude Code, they're going to adjust that to better serve the community. So, all these things they're going to adjust things as time goes by. I personally think this is the way to do it. This is pretty clear. And it also says down here, most users won't notice any difference. Weekly limits are designed to support typical daily use across your projects. Most pro users can expect 40 to 80 hours of Sonnet 4 within their weekly rate limits. That's totally reasonable. Now, it's also a huge difference, 40 to 80. So that just depends on, the number of tokens that you're using on average per request, all that. But they say that down here, factors vary based on code base size and user settings, all that stuff. You can manage or cancel your subscription anytime. Go into settings. We're going to go to settings here in just a second. But by and large, I don't think people are going to notice this. And the ones that are either already abusing the system or they're just using a ton more than the pro plan is really intended to pay for, and they will be asked to upgrade. This is going to keep happening as time goes on, as 2025 goes on, and the next years come as these models get more powerful and cost more money for them to maintain. All right, so if you go to settings right here, that's going to take you to your payment plan. If you want to cancel your plan, they're giving you the easy click to unsubscribe right there. If you need to do that, do that. But honestly, I really don't feel like this is, again, going to be something that is a bad thing overall. What I want to draw our attention to, though, is the actual usage limits. So yes, during peak hours, Claude Pro offers at least 5 times usage per session compared to our free service. So that doesn't really tell us much. It's just saying we get more for the fact that we're paying for this. Down here, though, we can see that if your conversations are relatively short and use less computer-intensive model, expect to send at least 45 messages every 5 hours, often more depending on message length, conversation length, and the current capacity. So this is very vague. This varies wildly based on the amount of tokens sent, whether you're working with a code base, whether you're working with Sonnet 4 versus Opus, all that stuff. So it goes on to say, to manage capacity and ensure fair use, we may limit your usage in other ways, such as weekly and monthly caps and model and feature usage at our discretion. So this was updated 15 minutes ago, or in the last 15 minutes. I think specifically do not make this very detailed. Estimates based on how Claude works today in the future will add new capabilities. On the whole, this is probably a good thing because Claude continues to be the service that is used the most for developers. The Sonnet 4, as of the date of this recording, is still the premier LLM model used for developers. And we just need this to continue to be good. So that's what they're doing here. They're continuing to protect their legitimate customer base. Looks like they've got stuff in the background happening that is impacting system capacity for everybody, and nobody wants that. So tell me your thoughts below. Have I missed something entirely? I think this is overall thumbs up. I personally don't think that I will see any effect on my own usage. Will you? Let me know.